I'm Mukund Jhawar, and in this video I'm going to show you the best experience of 2020. In 2020 novel coronavirus came, and now also coronavirus is there. So I was in my house and I had lots of online classes in my house. So out of so many online classes, the best online course I like GyanPro website making, because in GyanPro website making, so many new things I learned about websites. And the first day I started was so much fun. In the first day, sir taught us about browsers. Sir taught us what is a browser. Sir taught in which website are we going to make our websites, in which website, which is code.org. Sir told us about websites. And we did so many activities in the first day. Sir wanted to know our ideas, and it was so fun writing our ideas, modeling. It was so fun. The second day, I started coding. I learned about paragraphs, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and etc. In the third day, I learned about image, href, src, many things like how to add image, alt, and width, how to change the width, many things. Then in the fourth day, we started with the CSS. I added one CSS, and in the CSS, we started doing our work. In the HTML page, we had to write opening bracket, link space rel, style sheet, means is equal to style sheet, etc. in href and the CSS file's name. And when we went to the CSS, we started keeping background color. We changed image. We started adding borders. We started even adding image border. About header, sir told how to do so many things I did in CSS, text align. And in the fifth day I learned about borders, how to change the border radius, etc. In the sixth day, I at the starting, sir told about the color pickers, classes. In color picker, sir told about transparency. And when code came down, that code we should copy and paste in. If we wanted to choose one particular color, we should copy that code and keep in the code.org website, that we could make our own websites. And so many things. In classes, we learned how to use a class, like if you want to do this, how can we do this, and many things. In the sixth day, we started, in the sixth day only, we started how to make our own website, own website. I did so many things. Header was there. Sir told about header, footer. I learned carefully. Then I created my website about tourist spots in our country. I created it to say the people which are out of India about our specialities of our country. Then like this we did for 4 days, and in the last day it was so fun. I finished my website in first half an hour of the last day, and in the last 1.5 hour I said about my website. And one more boy was there in the class. He also said about his website. I listened, and then these 10 days got over. These 10 days I had the best experience of my life, how to create a website. And the timings were 1.5 hour, which was so fun in online class. It was my best online class ever.